4 characteristics of a really strong person I've met. 1. Express your feelings honestly. Expressing your feelings honestly means courage to face your inner truth. 2. I know how to admit mistakes and sincerely apologize. Admitting mistakes is a responsible attitude, and the ability to apologize is essential to building trust and respect. 3. You know how to acknowledge your limitations and shortcomings. Acknowledging shortcomings can raise self-awareness and use it as an opportunity for personal growth and development. 4. Focus on the present without obsessing over the past. Learn from past mistakes, but don't stay in them, and make the most of present opportunities.